Hey guys, just a quick update on the Redcat Gen 8. I did have one bad shock that I can't fix because the bladder is bad on it. So I do have to order a new shock. But they're not too bad. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was this back one back here. There's no oil in it. This one right here. Sorry. There's no oil in it, guys. So it's just kind of bouncing around, but I did throw all the old electronics in it. I got here, this is all the old stock Redcat stuff that came with it, but I got a new hobby wing for it, 1080, and then I am going to be in San Jose here in a week or so. I think next Monday, not this coming up, but next Monday. And I am going to probably stop by JJ Customs. We'll talk to Jason and maybe grab a couple Holmes Hobbies motors. I'm hoping my paycheck will be big enough. You know, RCing on a budget, guys. So, and I mean, it all works. So it's just really the control. So, and then the steering servo is really, seems like it's really weak. So I'm probably gonna have to order another one of those too, but might run that one till it burns up. It's just really super slow. Look how slow that is. Wonder if I can adjust that on this one. Oh no, that's no, I had it adjusted down, so see how it hits in the center. So that's why I adjusted this. We're just messing with that a little bit right now. There, and don't hit no more now. Just right there on the edge. So, yeah, that's so it does run, it works, everything's back together. I just gotta figure out what I want to paint the wheels. I don't know if I want to just leave them black or paint them or put these on. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Oops, sorry. That looks good. The tires on it look a little too new updated for me, but they might look good for now. Gotta figure out what I want to do. It came with these, but yeah. Chris and Highway 1 RC, they had painted them white. I think it was white. No, it was red. Painted one red, one blue on each side. So, but I think if I painted those maybe like a dirty white or something, or left them black, they might look good too. So, yeah, not sure. But let me know what you guys think. You guys, you like the front one or paint the back ones? The back ones are beadlocks too, but they're plastic. And they had a bunch of weights around them, which I'm not sure if I want to put back on there or not. That's why all those pins were broke, because they had all this weight on them. They had like 7 or 8 of those on each tire. It's almost 100 grams per tire. So, which was good. A nice heavy bottom, but That rotation weight. It's not good for the tranny and everything else. That's why a lot of pins were busted. So, all right, guys, there it is. That's my update for now. Like I said, it'll be another week or so before I get down to JJ Customs, get a motor for it. So we'll end it here, and thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a good day.